Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another live trade execution. Back on my live account. But yeah, been a minute since I've done one of these. Honestly, just haven't had the time, and especially when I trade as well, I'm not usually okay. I think my trade might be okay. I think we're gonna be in for a sell here. I can't even explain, but I'm gonna explain as soon as we get into this trade. I just need to see this candle close. Okay, we're in for shorts here. Look here, and then just for 30 points. Just gonna go do it for the 3K. But yeah, essentially I've already done my analysis. So we've had a super and an SMT at the highs. We've got full delivery now. The actual everything else as well, bias narrative, everything as well in line with each other as well. Everything looks good to me. The 30 points, so 93 to 63. This is not 30 points. It's 2.3. But yeah, everything looks in line to me. I don't know analysis, but yeah, just want to see full delivery and then obviously take pre-market lows, pre-market external lows, full delivery on both pairs as well, which is what we like to see. But yeah, basically this is it. In terms of win rate's been absolutely insane the past month, around extremely high win rate. You guys seen that shit on my Insta as well, post it daily. May's been insanely good for many people and nearly, a few of my students as well. But yeah, hoping to keep up the win rate. But yeah, just keeping this shit easy, bro. Like dead ass. Trading's got to be the easiest shit. People just overcomplicate because they haven't got a strict model in place, and that's TP. But yeah, people just overcomplicate this shit. They haven't got a strict model in place. They're not following the rules. They're not following a simple strategy. They just overcomplicate for no reason whatsoever. Once you're doing this shit correctly, and one, you have the right guidance, two, you have the right system in place, and three, you're following rules, consistency comes regardless, and the win rate as well. Like I really couldn't care less about the money that I could be making right now. My sole purpose is consistency and keeping up my win rate. That's basically, and you guys see this shit, bro. Like 100% win rate in the past around 20 trading days. Dead ass. That shit's on my Insta. Go check it out. Same for my students as well. There's some students that's been on 100% win rate since they've joined. This shit's just easy, bro. Like dead ass. The way it's taught and the way I teach you, easy as fuck. Just implement it correctly, follow rules, and follow a simple strategy, bro. That's basically it. But I mean, that's a 3-minute execution. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.